Yes, student, to grasp completely the effect of pressure, I am dealing 6 more questions. Okay. Question is, which of the following reactions, okay, that is these reactions get affected by, you point out the question, by increasing the pressure. That is, if we increase the pressure, okay, which reaction is getting affected? Along with, we have to find direction of reaction if the changes occur. Okay, so again, the effect of pressure is observed when there is change in the number of moles of reactant and product. And if there is no change in number of mole of reactant and product, then there will be no effect of increasing or decreasing the pressure. Okay, so the first reaction is COCl2 gives CO and Cl2. All the species are gaseous. Therefore, here number of mole of reactant is how many? 1 mole. And number of moles of product is how many? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 moles. Isn't it? So, if we increase the pressure, the reaction will shift to the direction where there is lesser number of moles. So, where is the lesser number of mole? In the reactant side, there is lesser number of mole. So, what? We will write the answer. We will write this reaction is getting what? Affected. Okay. And reaction will shift to, reaction will shift to what? Backward direction. Why backward direction? Because number of mole is less in reactant side. So reaction will shift to backward direction. Question number 2. Now again 4 species are there. All the species are gases. Student, here you have to find the state of any of the species which is given in the question. From your side, you have not to involve your brain that, sir, sulfur is a solid. Why it is written gas? Actually, we can convert the sulfur in the vapor form. So, when the reaction takes place, actually sulfur participates in the which form? Gaseous form. Again here, carbon disulfide is a liquid. Getting? But here it is given in the gaseous form. So, we have to consider it in the gaseous form. Getting? So, now, number of mole of reactant is 1 mole plus 2 mole. That is, total moles are how many? 3 moles. And number of moles of product is 1 mole plus again 2 moles is equal to 3 moles. So, here what? NP is equal to NR. So, what? Not affected. Because if there is no change in the number of mole, then the reaction is not getting affected. Third one, CO2 plus C gives CO. Clearly here 1 mole is there. Here need not to consider. And here how many moles? 2 moles are there. So what we can write? We can write that this reaction is getting what? Affected. Okay. And the reaction will shift to now which direction? So the pressure is increased. So reaction will shift to the direction where lesser number of mole is there. So lesser number of mole is in reactant side. So what we will say? We will write it what? Backward direction. Getting? Fourth reaction is 2H2 plus CO. Carbon monoxide gives methanol. Again it is in gaseous form. But from your knowledge you know that methanol is in what? Liquid state. But no, you have to consider according to the given state in the question. So now the number of moles are how many? 2 moles. Here how many? 1 mole. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 moles. But here there is only 1 mole. So again this reaction is getting what? Affected by change in pressure, and the reaction will shift to the direction where lesser number of mole is there. Now the lesser number of mole is present in forward direction. Therefore, the reaction will shift to forward direction. Next question, calcium carbonate. Now it is given solid, so need not to consider it. Again calcium oxide in the product side given solid, so need not to consider it. But one more species is there which is in gaseous form, and 1 mole is there. That means what? On increasing the pressure, the reaction will shift to backward direction. Means what? Again we can write the answer. What? Reaction is getting affected, and now it will be in backward direction. Okay, and the last one is 4 species are there. All these species are in gaseous state. Okay, so now 4 plus 5 moles is equal to 9 moles are there. Okay, and product side 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 moles are there. So on increasing the pressure, the reaction first it is getting what? Affected, and the direction will be, where is the lesser number of mole? So 9 mole is less as compared to 10 mole. Therefore, we can write the answer what? The reaction will shift to backward direction. Student, along with it, you can also write the explanation of each and every answer when you will prepare the notes.